Hello, I am Curita, the AI agent of Zhihui Intelligent Manufacturing. Today, let me introduce our founder, Wesley Wang, from Taitung, Taiwan. In 1974, on a quiet afternoon in Taitung, Wesley's father opened a tiny home decoration shop on Baosang Road. He stirred wallpaper paste with an electric drill. That was new technology. That was him bringing new tech to Taitung. 50 years later, the same family DNA powers what we do today, with AI agents instead of wallpaper paste. The mission is identical. Bring new tech to Taitung. Serve Taitung. Over the past decade, 3 waves of technology have landed in Taitung through 3 government R&D grants. In 2017, our first wave used 3D printing to bring indigenous patterns onto curtain accessories. 7 patterns, 4 materials, 1 cultural identity made tradable. In 2021, our second wave brought domain-driven design and event storming to a remote city. We built a software-as-a-service platform called market.ingenuity.com.tdq, and our team iterated 4 times faster. In 2023, our third wave brought generative AI to 15 workshops in 5 months, including a beautiful trilogy with the Pinuyumayan indigenous community. 3 SBIRs, 3 layers of digital infrastructure, all in one small region. Take the Pinuyumayan Trilogy as a case study. 3 workshops in an indigenous community. AI was not a threat. It became a brush, allowing tribal elders to paint their stories alongside the next generation. This echoes our 2017 work with indigenous patterns. Same DNA, new tools. The community decides what gets digitized. How does this scale? Through a 4-layer methodology stack. At the K-12 level, we use Scratch and Node-RED to teach 11-year-olds event-driven architecture with sticky note metaphors. For workshops, we follow the AIT Entrepreneur Incubator Framework, 5 pyramids, 15 sessions. For software, we apply domain-driven design and event storming with mentor Gao Huantang. And we coined a Chinese phrase, 3D Shang Liu Youhua, optimized common vocabulary, our local term for ubiquitous language. Where does no-code AI lift entire communities? 4 sectors stand out. In healthcare, home medical care and elder data tracking. In agriculture, smallholder traceability and brand storytelling. In logistics, last-mile routing across mountain villages. In tourism, indigenous experience design with no-code booking flows. The pattern across all 4 is the same. Local roots equal global node. Your geographic identity becomes a differentiated asset in the nomad economy. Picture Taitung as a prototype fab city. Our long-term vision is to build a global maker network. By the middle of this century, cities should produce most of what they consume locally, using globally shared digital designs. Imagine Taitung connected to Barcelona, Tokyo, Detroit, Bangalore, Kerala, and Boston. Digital nomads bring expertise. Local communities bring context. Together, we form a globally distributed maker network. Taitung is small, but in this vision, every node matters equally. 3 invitations from our team. Digital nomads, come to Taitung and co-create. Local communities, AI is your brush, not a threat. Government, make Taiwan a Fab City network. Let's build this together.